Hello friends. On the huge response on this video, I decided to make another version of this edit. So in this video I am going to show you step by step how to edit this photo in Picsart tab. To make a perspective image, open a transparent background in Picsart tab. Now add a heart-shaped PNG and your photo on this background. Download link of these stocks is available in the description of the video. Adjust your photo in the frame by erasing the extra pots. You can follow me on Instagram for any help or request. Now use Perspective tool to add perspective effect to this photo. Save this edit to your gallery. Repeat the same process to make more pings. I created 8 photo PNG for this edit. Add your text on a transparent background of Picsart tab. Now select a font style. You can add customized fonts in Picsart tab by using some tricks. A full video tutorial is available on my channel, and the link of that video is available in description of this video. Now add heart-shaped PNG. Now merge these names by using this PNG. Add a golden texture image over these text and blend it to multiply. Adjust the PNG and save this photo to your gallery. Open this background image in Picsart tab. Simply share this image in Picsart tab to open it. Now add heart-shaped hologram image. Blend it and arrange in the background. Now add your main photo and erase its background using cutout tool. Retouch your photo using Adjust tool for a proper blending. Add more PNG and arrange them on the photo. at previous edited PNG which we have edited in starting of the video. Arrange this PNG around the main photo. Apply motion blur effect around these PNG to apply motion effect. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like the video and comment down your suggestions. Now add previous edited text and other PNG and adjust them on the final photo. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such content. See you in the next video.